Hello friends, today we will generate serial numbers in Excel and I will show you a simple formula based method that keeps your serial numbers perfectly aligned, even if you insert or delete rows later. Let's start with the usual way, the manual method. Most people type 1 and 2, then select both cells and with the help of the mouse drag down. It works initially, but here's the problem. The moment you insert a row in between by pressing Ctrl plus on the keyboard, you see your sequence breaks. Now you either have to drag everything again, like this, or manually fix numbers. Not ideal, especially when you're working with large datasets like invoices, ledgers, or reports. Now I will undo this, and now let's do this properly using a formula. We will generate serial numbers in column B here. Now in cell B2 here, type 1, and now in B3 cell here, we will type the formula equals to B2 plus 1 and hit enter. Now first let's understand this. B2 is the previous cell and plus 1 means increase by 1. So Excel is simply saying take the value above and add 1 to it. This creates a chain reaction. Each row depends on the one above it. Now we will copy this formula and drag it all the way down till here. Right? Excel fills everything instantly. Now let's test the problem again. Let's insert a row in the middle. Press Ctrl plus on the keyboard. Now we can compare both the manual method and the formula method. You can see the numbers break. Sequence is disturbed. But in the formula method, we only have to select this cell and copy it till here, and the sequence will be restored. Right? And in the manual method, this doesn't happen. As you can see here, we have to manually drag it again for it to restore. Okay, now you are probably thinking why this matters. In real work, you are constantly adding transactions, inserting adjustments, updating reports. If your numbering is manual, it becomes a headache. But with formulas, Excel handles it for you. Think of it like automation at the smallest level, but it saves time every single day. Now you have a dynamic serial number system that updates automatically, handles inserted rows, requires zero rework. Simple formula, huge impact. So today you have learned how to generate serial numbers using formulas in Excel the smart way. If you are serious about improving your Excel skills for accounting, check out the full Excel course linked in the video description. And if this helped you even a little, don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.